Hey folks, what's up and welcome back to Printer Tales. So, if your HP LaserJet P1102w has suddenly stopped printing and now you're wondering how to fix it, I have several solutions to address the issue, as it may be arising due to various reasons, such as pending print jobs, outdated drivers, or unexpected changes in settings. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick and easy methods to get your HP printer working again. So let's get started. Method 1. Set printer as default printer. Go ahead and click on Start menu on your computer. Now type printers and scanners in the search bar and open it. Once you're there, scroll down to the part that says Let Windows manage my default printer and uncheck that box. Now scroll back up, you will see a list of printers. Find your HP printer in that list. Click on your printer and select Manage. Finally, just click on the Set as Default button. Alright, if your printer's still not printing, even after setting it as default, no worries. The next thing you'll want to check is the printer driver. Sometimes an outdated driver can mess things up. So let's quickly update it and see if that does the trick. Method 2. Update printer driver via Device Manager. Click on the Start menu again. Type Device Manager and open it. In the Device Manager window, find and expand the section that says Print Queues. You'll see your HP printer listed there. Right-click on it and choose Update Driver. In the Update Drivers window, choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will then check for the latest updates and install them for you. Okay, so if you've tried the first two fixes and your printer still refuses to print, it might be just stuck because of old print jobs in the queue. So let's go ahead and clear out that print queue. Method 3. Delete all print jobs. Look down at the bottom right corner of your screen where you will find a printer icon. Note, if you don't see it, click the little arrow to show hidden icons. On the window, you will now see a list of pending print jobs. Right-click on the first print job and select Cancel from the list of actions. When the confirmation box pops up, click on Cancel again to confirm. Repeat the above steps to cancel all the pending print jobs. Alright, if nothing else has worked so far, don't worry. You've got one last method. Sometimes your printer just needs a soft reset to get things back on track. So let's do a quick reset and give it a fresh start. Method 4. Reset printer. First, turn off your printer. Unplug the power cord from the back of your printer. Then unplug that same power cord from the wall outlet. Now wait for about 60 seconds. After that, plug the cord back into the wall outlet. Plug the power cord back into the printer. Now your LaserJet will turn on automatically. Note, if the printer doesn't switch on, then press the power button to turn it on. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.